Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to go over some electrical issues on this Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. And what was happening was I was turning the key, not getting any power anywhere, and I was getting a clicking sound. I figured out where the clicking sound was coming from. Circuit breaker, basically. And it's inside a little bag, and the bag is to keep the moisture out. These do go bad, but if you open it up, and it's not all corroded, it's probably not bad because it's the moisture that makes them go bad. So this little guy was clicking on and off, and it was doing what it was supposed to do, and it was detecting a short and cutting the power. I made the mistake at first not knowing what this was, and I bypassed it for a second, and that burnt up my switch here. So I replaced this switch. Still no good. One thing you can check though is to make sure these connectors are in tight. Opened up the pod, and I guess a mouse. I had cleaned out a big mouse nest in here previously. I guess a mouse had chewed some wires, and they created a short, and that's what was the issue here. So this wire had 2 nicks in it, and this goes from the harness to the 12-volt auxiliary power here, and this one too went to the 12-volt auxiliary power, and then back to the headlamp. And this wire melted and was completely bare, so I've got everything taped back up and we're good to go. We got power, we've got electric start again. So if you're having similar issue, check all your wires in here. There could be a short. Mice like this spot, so they could easily chew a wire and ruin your day. Thanks for watching.